We're in a full-blown trade war. If you're an affiliate marketer today here in 2025, you need to know how to navigate this worldwide trade war that's going on right now. The truth is, if you don't have a really good plan, you may get wiped out. Or if you're just starting as an affiliate marketer, you may find it difficult to get sales with your business. There are several things that I have seen through the years. I mean, I've been an affiliate marketer. I've been an online internet marketer as well since 2008, when I had no idea what I was doing. But in 2009 is when I really started to figure out how to actually win this game, and have been very successful ever since. But going through the 08, 09 recession and how nothing was moving, and actually made my first six figures as an affiliate marketer in 2009, which many will tell you is the worst year of their entire lives in the economy. There are lessons that I have learned that will allow you to get through this tough time. And to be honest, it really is a great way to actually diversify your affiliate marketing business. It should actually be its own way to stabilize your income as you move forward. I don't think any affiliate marketer should solely rely on just what the vendor is telling you to do. You really need to get outside of the box and see a much bigger picture of how to be successful in affiliate marketing. So what I'm going to tell you to do is to do these two things right now to start positioning yourself to get in front of this recession that's going to happen. Yes, a recession. There's no way you can have a trade war like this and not have a recession. It is absolutely going to happen. I don't know how long it's going to last, but it is absolutely going to happen. So here are the two things that I'm telling you to do immediately. Number one, you need to diversify what you're selling. I am encouraging you to go to vendors or networks that sell digital products that are geared more towards DIY, or for consumers that want to do things themselves. In an age where consuming or even purchasing completed items is going to become significantly more expensive, because if something's made in China, and at the time of this recording, they have 104% tariffs put on them by President Trump, then that item is going to be significantly more expensive for consumers. You may find that consumers are less interested in purchasing completed items due to the cost, and far more interested in DIY. They will start doing projects where the things that they want, they desire, they make fun out of it by doing it themselves, looking up how to do it, getting in with groups, or following their favorite creators to actually do this themselves. One particular product that I really, really like on ClickBank that fits this very well, and it's a great offer that sells very well, and there's a ton of room on it, is in the area of woodworking. Ted's Woodworking is one of the highest converting offers that's ever been on ClickBank. And the thing I love about it is its actual returns when you sell it. There's a great offer. It fits the DIY market greatly, especially in the area of woodwork, where wood is one of those things that are going to be hard hit by tariffs. Especially, we do a lot of exchange and trade with Canada. That's where a lot of wood comes from. And Ted's Woodworking, I mean, people need wood. People love to do it, especially in times of stress and anxiety and things like that. People turn to hobbies to relieve the stress, and woodworking has always been one of the biggest hobbies in or DIY projects for things to make families' lives better. Ted's Woodworking has a great offer. It is, from what I really like about it, it is something that is easier to be Google Ads compliant in the way you promote it, and they have great returns and upsells. The other thing I like about them is they don't have a lot of restrictions on what you can do to promote it on Google Ads or on Facebook and these other particular networks. So I like Ted's Woodworking DIY. And the great thing is there's a lot of business out there to get. There's a lot of keywords you can advertise on Google Ads, on Bing, and even with communities and stuff on Facebook and TikTok that are really interested in woodworking that are going to be very inexpensive for you to acquire customers and really start making a margin. Not to mention the fact that the whole idea of DIY with woodworking is going to explode here in 2025 because people are going to be less inclined to purchase products that are completed, such as furniture or crafts or picture frames, you name it. I mean, really, woodworking crosses a lot of different areas, and Ted's Woodworking is definitely positioned to take advantage of the tariff war. The next thing you need to add right away is not really an affiliate product, but it's something to add to your affiliate business, and that is a consulting business. Now, if you don't or never have created a consulting business, you may wonder, how do I do that? It's one of the easiest, simplest forms of businesses to create. You take something that you're decent in and you turn it into a service. So if you have an affiliate product that you're promoting and you like it, then there's going to be a huge market in this environment for people wanting to learn how to do the items on their own. For example, if you sold a skincare product as an affiliate marketer where that product was being sourced overseas with drop shipping or whatever to get here, and now it's not going to make a lot of sense with the tariffs, but the people who purchase that product are still going to be interested in skincare. It's not going to go away. But what may happen now is they may be more interested in home remedies to achieve the same thing. Even if it's a little less effective, their interest in skincare is not going to diminish. Just their interest in paying for it is going to diminish. And this is where having a consulting business or a community or some type of service-based, or even a course, if you will have a dramatic effect on your affiliate marketing business. There are going to be tons of people who are going to turn to this and are willing to pay a nominal fee as opposed to the hundreds of dollars they've been paying on a monthly or quarterly basis to basically shortcut the process, have it all done in one. There's a lot of convenience to just buy a bottle with all the ingredients in it that they're going to need for skincare versus, hey, DIY, go out and get these particular products, mix it yourself, make your own bottle, things you can do at night while you're sleeping to keep your skin fresh and fair looking. These types of home remedies and strategies in this particular example will be highly desirable, and they'd be really willing to listen to someone who can tell them how to do it. You'd be very surprised how much people are willing to pay a consultant to help them with this, or to buy a course or a book that will teach them how to do it themselves in these times of financial uncertainty, such as the tariff war that we are in. So these two things are the things I would do right away if I were you as an affiliate marketer, and add it to my current business. And you may find that it might quickly overtake your current book of business. And you might start having some very quick success. And in addition to that, I think you should do these things anyway. They should be a part of your business, to be honest. Even though when I had my big breakthrough with affiliate marketing, I also started a consulting business. And I leveraged my expertise that I learned as an affiliate marketer when I got really good at it. And it's not like I was perfect at it, but so few people know what they're doing with affiliate marketing. They don't have a lot of success early on. So since I was able to have success, all I did was start telling people and teaching people how to do what I did. And then ultimately that consulting turned into services. And, I went from selling my affiliate products and making my first six figures to creating a consulting business and making another six figures. And then that turned into a digital marketing agency. And then that's when things got crazy. That's when I entered the arena of big money and everything got kind of crazy. So for you as well, you could have a similar type of escalation if you start opening your mind up to what being an affiliate marketer could be, especially in times where people are going to be looking for financial alternatives.